On behalf of the Ragasudha School of Carnatic Music and our founder, director and guru, Sri Murali Kumar, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you to our 23rd annual school concert. My name is Ramya and I will be one of your MCs for tonight. At Ragasudha, we are very proud of our achievements over the past 2 decades and thank the community for all your support. Today, Ragasudha is one of the premier and prestigious institutions of Indian music in Australia with an enviable reputation built on the foundation of highest quality, uncompromising classicism, innovative spirit, community, trust and support. In tonight's program, you will listen to some wonderful compositions of renowned Vadyakaras of Carnatic music, as well as some of our Guru, Sri Murali Kumar's own composition. From first Geetams to timeless Kritis and Varnams, this evening is a celebration of music, learning and the joy of performing together. The highlight of the evening will be the unique and mesmerizing violin symphony, Sounds of Nature, composed, arranged and conducted by Sri Murali Kumar and brought to life by an orchestra of 18 violins. This will be the first Carnatic string symphony in Melbourne and quite possibly the very first of its kind in all of Australia. I'm certain everyone's eagerly anticipating the remarkable musical experience. Tonight's program is split into 2 sessions. There will be a dinner break for about 20 minutes after the first session and then session 2 will follow. Annual student awards will be announced and presented in the post-dinner session. Live music always comes with a little excitement. A missed lyric, a nervous smile, or a violin string deciding to create its own solo performance. These moments simply remind us that music is alive, real, and beautifully human. So sit back, relax, keep your thala ready, and enjoy a wonderful evening of Carnatic music. Thank you.
Namaste and good evening everyone. What wonderful opening, Ramya. My name is Kriti and I'll be one of your MC along with Ramya for tonight. Before we commence the program, a quick mention of some important house rules. Please observe complete silence during the performance. I'm sure all of you will appreciate that. Please do not move in or out of theatre during a performance. If you must leave or enter the hall, please wait until the current performance is finished and before the next performance begins, so you can use that time in between the performances to move. And keep your mobile phones on silent, please. If you can do that now, that would be great. And parents of young children, I do understand sometimes it's difficult to settle your children. So I would request, if for some reason if young children are unsettled, please feel free to walk out, settle them back and then come back inside. You may do this even if it's in between performance, of course. And you're welcome to record audio, video or take pictures using your own devices, but please do so without disturbing the performers or the performance or blocking anyone else's view. Also, please note that it is a strict requirement that no video or audio recording should be posted on social media. Thank you for that. I also have another request. Kindly encourage and support the students today by applauding generously at the end of each performance. Your applause is a great source of pride and motivation for all the students, and I request again to maintain complete silence during the performances. Thank you. Sit back and enjoy.